guys, you are watching Harry Ashcott Studios. So today I want to review the tactical BB speed loader. This one you can get from the online out there. There's so many sellers sell this. Okay, so I'm opening for this one, unpacking. So we got one socket. Okay, one socket for the front there to I think to put in here, and you can easily pump it down. Okay, for this one you can have about 155 round of BBs. So this one we will install over here. Okay, done. Okay, it's look good with the pump. It's a good plastic actually. It's really good. It's good quality. So this one you can lock it down. Just push the button here. Okay, you see there's a button here. Okay, you can see the button. So if you want to release the plunger, just push from the other side. Okay, you can push from the other side, so you will release the plunger. Okay, so you just pump it and lock it, so you can bring it anywhere. Okay, during your match with your friend or with your team, so this one might be needed. Okay, so here I bought two, the BB speed loader. So one is red and the other one is white. Okay, so the same condition, same equipment, you just install it down here. Okay, and you release button from this button to release the plunger. Okay, so easy. Okay, on how to reload the BBs inside here, you have the opening here, so just pull it. It's a bit hard, but you can try. Okay, so you see, so it's like this. Okay, so the front like this, you can see it. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to refill it. This one is the common BBs. Okay, the common BBs, which is the cheap one. Okay, the cheap one. So I just fill it for the maximum. Oops, overflow, so need to release it. Okay, so can close it. Yeah, so here you can see here 155 round. Okay, so release the plunger. Okay, so we try to refill it. Does it really easy? It's not really easy. It's stuck. What happened? Okay. it's not really easy actually. It's not really easy. It just stuck and it's really hard to just feel this. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's actually it's not too, too fast for you to reload this one, but okay, just if you're not in hurry, then it's okay for you to use this. But if you're in hurry, I don't think you have time to press it down to refill it, because it's need your quite attention, full attention for you to feel it. Okay, so it's full right now. Okay, it's quite good. So I can use for my M1911. Okay. Okay, it's quite good. So for the other one, I'm going to refill it with the others BBs. So I got this one. This one actually the ones of the perfect BBs compared to this one. This one the cheap one. So there's comparison between the cheap one and the real BBs. So you see it, the real BBs doesn't have the line between the BBs. So this one is perfect round. Okay, perfect round. Okay, so I'm going to refill this one with the perfect BBs. Going to full. Okay. Okay. So if you want to see how it move, okay, so if I press this one like this, one by one. Oops. Okay, one by one. So this is how it works. So anyway, if you want to get it from the eBay, maybe you can get it. Okay, so this one, these two. So the perfect BB loader. So you can get it from online. It's quite useful, but don't use it when you are in hurry. It's not that really fast for you to refill it. You must have a perfect angle to your magazine, the perfect angle, and you have to push it while you have to hold the spring. Okay, so yeah, for you to training, I think okay, but during the tournament or with your friend, with your team, I think you need to spare another magazine. It's better for you to reload the inside the other spare magazine. It's much easier than you use the BB speed loader. Okay, thanks for watching. So You can have it from the eBay. The price is quite competitive, so okay for you to have it. It's a good quality of plastic, really good quality.